Hi friends, this is Barbara and I am back with another Crock-Pot meal. And today we're making chicken fajita with cilantro lime rice. Okay, that will be poured over the rice. We're going to start by taking that lid off of our Crock-Pot. 2 large chicken breasts. I cut each one of my chicken breast in half. But first, let me pour in this thick and chunky salsa. And you could use whatever brand or whatever your favorite kind is. And then we're going to go ahead and just pour or place the chicken right there in that crock pot. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, and in this bowl, I have 1 onion sliced up, and so my family doesn't really care much for bell peppers, so I only put like a half a green pepper, but I did put a whole red pepper. If you like yellow, add some yellow. Add whatever vegetables that you would like, okay? So I'm pouring that in. Just gonna move it around. I'm also going to pour in some broccoli that I had left in the fridge. This is a really good time to get those vegetables that might start to go bad, and you don't want them to go bad, so you want to cook them. Throw them in the crock pot. This is your opportune time right now for this recipe. And then we're going to throw a pack of fajita seasoning mix in there. Trying to make it everywhere. Coat it very good. Perfect. And get your grabber thing and just move that seasoning around in that crock pot. That chicken is going to make its own liquid. And this looks, oh my God, it smells good. That seasoning smells delicious. Okay, we are going to turn our crock pots on high. There, high. And then we're going to cook that for 4 hours. During the meantime, depending on the size of your family, I'm going to make cilantro lime rice. Get 1 or 2 packages. It depends on your size of your family or what you want to do. Or, it is your kitchen. Maybe you could even make your own cilantro lime rice, because I'm sure that is possible. Yeah, you could do that too. What is it? Rice and you throw some cilantro with some lime in it? I think that's easy to do. Okay, I will be back in 4 hours. Okay, I fetched the chicken out of the crock pot, and I have some right here. This is super easy. And there it is. That's it. I bought this thing and boy do I love it. And I do have an Amazon affiliate link down below, maybe just in case you're interested. Okay, so here I'm going to stir this up. Okay, I'm gonna make my rice. Okay, and now I got my rice. I'm gonna stir this up. Oh, it smells delicious. And we're just gonna pour that over our rice. That looks really good. There, just so you could see it better. just want to get some of that rice and some chicken and the peppers. This is good. This is really good. Okay, friends. Thank you for showing up with me here today. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. I love you.